Stop overthinking and just start painting. In that moment, stop overthinking and just start painting. If you've been feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure about starting your next painting, this video is for you. It's time to stop overthinking and just start painting. Like literally. Overthinking can be one of the biggest obstacles to creativity. We worry about making mistakes, getting things perfect, not living up to our own expectations or whatever. But today, I'm here to tell you that it's okay to let go of those fears and simply enjoy the process of painting. First, embrace imperfection. I know you hear that a lot, but it is what it means. No painting is ever perfect. And that's the beauty of art. Each stroke, each color, each mistake contributes to the uniqueness of your piece. Remember, it's not about creating a masterpiece every time. It's about expressing yourself and having fun. And we live in a world where we see people that are better than us, either on social media, people we look up to, our peers, whatever. And they're creating amazing stuff. They are at a different level that we probably will not reach. But you need to find beauty in your chaos. You gotta pick up your own cross and keep moving. You gotta walk on that water. You have to jump when it feels scary the most. Because art is about self-expression. That's literally the definition of art. It is self-expression through visual, through singing, through whatever you do, anything artistic. That is what art is about. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting started, I know. But begin with a simple idea or shape. Don't worry about details later. This can be as simple as a circle, a line, or basic color block. Once you have something on the canvas, you'll find it easier to build from there. I read a quote the other day that said something like, sometimes when we are feeling burnt out, when we feel like not doing something, it is important to just do something for 5 minutes. Just force yourself to do something for 5 minutes. And study shows that if you force yourself to do something for 5 minutes, even if you're not feeling like it, it's most likely that 80% of people keep going and finish that job. You know what I'm saying? Like if you start something for 5 minutes, it's most likely that 80% of people keep going. Experiment with colors and techniques. Play around with blending, splattering, or using different tools like palette knives and sponges. Just let your creativity flow. Express yourself artistically. You can also do anything you want, really. Art is self-expression. I know I'm saying that a lot. Self-expression, this, self-expression, that. But you have to just stop overthinking and start painting. It's as simple as it sounds. I'll see you on the other side. Subscribe. Peace out.